Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to start your day on the right foot, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share 5 easy and healthy breakfast ideas that are not only delicious but also quick to prepare. These breakfasts are perfect for busy mornings when you need something nutritious to fuel your day. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about a classic favorite, smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are incredibly versatile and a fantastic way to get a serving of fruits and veggies first thing in the morning. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 banana preferably frozen, 1 cup of frozen berries like strawberries or blueberries, 2 Cuban pesos of spinach, you want to even taste it. 2 Cuban pesos of Greek yogurt, 2 Cuban pesos of almond milk or any milk of your choice. Toppings: granola, chia seeds, sliced fruit, or nuts. Instructions: start by blending the banana, frozen berries, spinach, Greek yogurt, and almond milk until smooth. Pour the smoothie into a bowl. Add your favorite toppings like granola, fresh fruit, or a sprinkle of chia seeds. Host, and there you have it, a vibrant, nutritious breakfast that's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Plus, it's super customizable. Next up, we have avocado toast, a modern classic. Segment 2, Avocado Toast. Avocado toast is not only trendy but also full of healthy fats and fiber. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of whole grain bread, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: cherry tomatoes, radishes, or a poached egg. Instructions: toast the slices of whole grain bread to your desired level of crispiness. Mash the avocado with a fork in a bowl, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Spread the mashed avocado evenly over the toasted bread. Add any optional toppings like sliced cherry tomatoes or a poached egg for extra protein. Host: this breakfast is not only delicious but also keeps you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Plus, it's so quick to prepare. Segment 3, Overnight oats. Overnight oats are perfect for those days when you don't have much time in the morning. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 2 Cuban pesos of rolled oats, 2 Cuban pesos of milk, dairy or plant-based. 4 Cuban pesos of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, fresh fruit for topping like berries or banana slices. Instructions: in a jar or container, mix the oats, milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and honey. Stir well to combine. Cover and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, give it a good stir and top with fresh fruit before eating. Host: overnight oats are so convenient and you can mix and match your favorite toppings. It's a great way to get fiber and protein in one go. Segment 4, Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt parfaits are not only tasty but also packed with protein and probiotics. Here's how to make a quick and easy parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 4 Cuban pesos of granola, 4 Cuban pesos of fresh berries, 1 tablespoon of honey or a drizzle of maple syrup. Instructions: in a glass or bowl, layer the Greek yogurt, granola, and fresh berries. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup. Repeat the layers until you reach the top. This breakfast is so versatile, you can use any fruits you like and even add a sprinkle of nuts for extra crunch. It's a great way to start your day with a smile. Finally, let's wrap up with a breakfast that's both savory and satisfying: veggie omelets. Veggie omelets are packed with protein and vegetables, making them a perfect start to your day. Here's a basic recipe. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 4 Cuban pesos of diced bell peppers, 4 Cuban pesos of chopped spinach, 1/4 Cuban pesos of diced tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste. A little olive oil or cooking spray. Instructions: whisk the eggs in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly grease with olive oil or cooking spray. Pour the eggs into the pan and cook for a minute until they start to set. Add the diced bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes on one side of the omelette. Fold the omelette in half and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until fully set. Slide onto a plate and serve warm. This veggie omelette is not only quick to make but also loaded with nutrients. You can mix and match your favorite vegetables and even add some cheese if you like.